And Delhi's heat seemed to have rather overcome BJP President Nitin Gadkari. He apparently fainted at the rally today. Anusuya has been tracking those developments and joins us now. Anusuya, a quick question first about Nitin Gadkari. Just what happened to the BJP president?
See, we saw all the top leaders standing on a vehicle specially built for the rally. There was Nitin Gadkari standing, waving, standing right next to Advani ji. 1 second he was standing there. Next second we are told that he felt a little dizzy and he had to be helped down from the vehicle. And the pictures show how he sat down for a little while. He had to be fanned and then helped into the car. BJP sources tell us that he is okay now. Probably the heat got to him. There were thousands and thousands who had gathered for the rally, and he was the last speaker in the rally. So probably the heat of Delhi got to Gadkari, the president of BJP.
All right, Anusuya, and was the rally itself a success? There was a big build-up to this rally. Just how did the day progress?
See, the rally, the entire ground was jam-packed. We couldn't see any place that was empty, and there were people also waiting outside. We are told the capacity of the ground is about 60,000. So probably somewhere between 60,000 to a lakh of BJP workers did gather there. And BJP, of course, is calling it a huge success. They say this is no show of strength by Gadkari after he took over. This is just a wake-up call to the government, who has not been taking any concrete steps to check price rise. But whether this wake-up call actually wakes up the government or not is something that one has to wait and watch. But yes, at the end of the day, BJP says that even if they were not allowed to continue with the entire march from the Ramlila Maidan to this place at Jantar Mantar, it was only a handful of leaders who could actually complete the march. Even then, they are calling today a huge success.
All right, Anusuya, thanks very much indeed for joining us with that.
Tuba.com